the villages. So what is the response you are getting over there in the Gaon?
When I went to villages, I have found that there is good response from the villagers, and it is the program of our party, and I am very happy that I had taken. I got the opportunity to go over there, and there is so many people. They are very much glad that one CM can go to the extreme corner of the state. So they are very happy, and they have full faith on our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I have seen there are so many people. They have got different types of beneficiary schemes, and mostly this Prime Minister Awas Yojana, then also Jal Jeevan Mission, then Kisan Credit Card. All this beneficiary scheme they have received.
Sir, and about that script issue is a Bandh ministers. How you are going to sort that?
Let me see what I can do.
Will it be sorted within time? Because someone has called already a strike on that today.
That I will sort it out.
You'll sort it.